Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily enable JavaScript in Adobe Acrobat. So first head over and launch Adobe Acrobat. Then next in your keyboard, simply press Ctrl plus K and the preferences window will then pop up. Now here in the left panel, click on JavaScript. Now here all you have to do is make sure that you tick the box beside Enable Acrobat JavaScript. On the same page, you can also customize settings on JavaScript security, debugger, and editor. All you have to do is tick the box beside the setting you would like to enable. You can also customize your JavaScript editor, change the font and font size, or you can also use external JavaScript editor. Then once done, head over and press OK. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!